Welcome back to the URM Academy YouTube channel, where we help you kick ass at mixing. I'm Joel Wanasek, and if you're new here, click subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified whenever we upload badass new videos and tutorials. All right, so this clip, Joey shows us some cool ways to mix synths behind your standard EQ and compression. This is just one segment of an entire 8-hour live mixing session available on Nail the Mix, but more on that at the end of the video. If you've ever been frustrated with synths, or maybe you just don't know what else to do with them in a mix, this is the video for you. All right, enough talking. Let's watch and learn as Joey breaks it down for us.
And let's do a synth group real quick. And we don't have the synths set up yet, but I'm going to show you how we can do that really fast. So I'm just going to jump right into this choir, put L1 on there, set the level. Cool. Let's do the pulse synth thing. I'm going to show you a cool trick on pulsing synths, or synthesizers in general. You can, with synthesizers, you get a lot of this high-end hiss, right? All that stuff up there. And a lot of guys will go, oh, okay, I'll just low pass that, right? But let me show you a cooler way to do that. I like to use a distortion plugin, like this. And as you boost it up, you'll notice the mid-range starts to increase. And also gets rid of that sound. So I like to use distortion as an EQ on synthesizers. It's so good because it'll make it jump out in the mix, but also eliminate those really distracting frequencies. See how it just jumps out with that little extra boost? So that's good. Riser. Hard drives being stupid.
You know, I gotta say that a lot of the mixes that were submitted for the competition, all these tracks were missing. So, you know, there were some mixes that sounded decent, but it was as though they had either not imported the synths or muted all that stuff.
All these elements are important to the song and to the mix. It's not like they were optional. How would the band react to that? If the band was listening to the mix and they'd be like, well, what happened to my harmony that I spent 4 hours trying to sing?
Yeah, where are all the synths we worked on? Yeah, they would. You'd get an angry email or something, or phone call about that. They would think that you were on drugs or something because you forgot half of the instruments that they sent you.
Okay, let's get this riser up to level. Actually sounds at a good level. I'm not going to touch it. Strings. Whoops. Can't load the Ultra Maximizer. No place for that. Same thing on these strings. That really ear-piercing high end is in there. Let's put some distortion on it.